Well, we're out and about with the Highboy today, driving it around and having some fun. I did get to do quite a bit with the truck over the summer as far as taking some trips and stuff with it. As you guys probably recall watching all the work I did to it last winter, I put quite a bit of effort and time into the truck and getting it finished up properly and all that good stuff. So if you haven't seen that, be sure to go watch those videos. Some pretty good content, but yeah, didn't film a whole lot with the truck over the summer, but definitely drove it a lot and really enjoyed it. And things been flawless ever since. Can't complain with anything, so that's always good. But just wanted to film a little video today out playing in the snow with it, since, you know, it's a whopping 14 degrees. So, you know, what better thing to do when it's a little warm out than play with old trucks, right? I've been bouncing back and forth driving this thing or my 7.3, so give each one a turn now and then, I guess. But yeah, she's doing great, so we'll go drive it around and get some 4x action in the snow. We don't have a whole lot yet, so might as well play around in it before it gets too deep to you know, do that. So yeah, let's hop in and take her for a spin. Time for some snow action. I hope you guys enjoyed. Not a whole lot of action, but it's good to get the old truck out and about and have some fun with it as usual. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the little tag along video. But yeah, thanks for watching, and until the next video, I'll see you guys later.